also have this panel right here that's completely mesh and see-through, which is actually, you know, interesting. What's good, y'all? What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the Game Short, and today we have another hype unboxing. Shout out Kyle, Instagram right here. Obviously, Yeezy Day was very hard for a lot of us. Fortunately for me, I did cop a pair of turtle doves. You know, that might be coming. Shout out Kyle. But there were some other shoes that I could have copped, as well as these. But obviously I didn't cop. I know I just, you know, was looking for select colorways, and obviously this didn't appeal to me as much as, you know, the turtle doves or the reds, etc, etc. But Kyle did cop, and shout out to Kyle, so that we could do a perfect hype unboxing for this, for those individuals that like this colorway slash this silhouette of the Yeezy right here. So shout out Jan. But you know, you can see the box. You know, it's the usual gray cardboard with the meanings and the label right here, knowing it's not fake. Once we get into the shoe, we see, and we're just doing one shoe just so that, you know, we could do that, because the other one does not have an extra set of laces, so there is no need. But also shout out to the Ep.8 playmat, you know, go to locals. But as we go into the shoe, as y'all can see, it's a kind of very interesting shoe, if I worded that right, because of the materials it has. Now that I look into it, I feel like it does have that quality and caliber of, you know, just materials and resources that, you know, make the shoe fit all together and make it look futuristic, which is what I know Kanye wanted to do with this silhouette specifically. But as y'all can see here, I don't know what to call these little holes in here, so we'll call them mid panels. Seems logical enough, right? But these mid panels actually have this type of texture that's more of a like rug type of texture, but you could feel each individual line, and once you get up here, you could feel that mesh that's right here all throughout, and covering it through the rest of the mid panel or mid section of the shoe is some plastic material, but it's very sturdy. But you know, obviously it adds what is that called? It adds a certain kind of protection. There we go, that's the word I was looking for. Obviously throughout the shoe, as you can see on both sides, with the black laces and a little bit of that silver right here, if you could see that within the eyelets. And the toe box having this other material, like kind of rubbery-ish type of feeling, as y'all can see that. But we also have this panel right here that's completely mesh and see-through, which is actually, you know, interesting. What's good, y'all? Obviously, don't wear this in the rain. You don't want to get this messed up. You paid a lot of money for this shoe, so you should treat it with a lot of respect. That doesn't mean you can't wear it, but, you know, just wear it with caution, or just wear it with, you know, reasonability, right? But as we go into the soles, y'all can see the Azure blue right here, as well as different you know, type of holes throughout the shoe. I really don't know how this would feel, but I would propose that it's very comfortable, given that, you know, the Yeezy is always known to be a very comfortable shoe and things like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one is also very comfortable. But, you know, as you can see right here, the tongue, it's very plush. You know, this type of material is something that we find in every other type of Yeezy 700. So if you like the previous types of the Yeezy 700s, you'll definitely like these. You can see the insole right here, Yeezy Adidas. No big surprise right there. But yeah, that's the shoe. Shout out Kyle. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. Peace.